Okay, here we have a Jet 14-inch horizontal bandsaw. It is unused, and we're going to power it up just to show you that it does operate. So hit the start button here. So all the electrical and most of the mechanical functions operate very nicely on here. This top shroud right here is just slightly loose. You tighten it down, but you have to have it closed really to get it stable. It does include the knob, but there's a retainer clip. Well, the retainer pin is missing right here. That goes on that screws in the back here. So you have to purchase one of those. Then the center table piece that's supposed to be in here, this is missing. Includes a miter gauge. Alright. And this door frame and door are slightly bent. It could be repaired, bent it back into shape or what have you. The base has some paint scratches and scuffs and a couple little dings. One here and one here. Nothing major, strictly cosmetic. The machine runs very well. And we thank you for looking at our product.